That was a really big deal for me, just like when picking internships, knowing that I had that support from the school, and I was able to be reporting in a place that I really wanted to be back in because I'm from the Central Valley, so I was able to go back home and report there, and I don't think I would have had that opportunity if it weren't for the journalism school.
Yeah, in my experience, the internship was pretty vital to my education here. The connections that I feel like I've built through that internship and the way that I feel I've established myself in the San Francisco media scene feels just as valuable as many of my classes. I think that it took me out of my comfort zone and also brought me deeper into my community.
The summer internship was probably the best thing I've done while at the J School. And I didn't come from a journalism background, so I was a little nervous and feeling like I wasn't sure that I really knew how it worked or that I was capable of being a real journalist, if that makes sense. And it's a really great confidence boost and also just a great way to test you out, see what you know, see what you don't know, and learn what you don't know. And then I'm entering my second year much more confident and knowledgeable.
Summer internship is key because it is one of the key platforms that provides one an opportunity to actually execute what you learned in class. Apart from that, it helps you provide the network you might need even after graduation. It helps you prove your skills.
It's the first job I've had in journalism where I really felt like I was developing sources and developing relationships with people in a way that's difficult to teach.
I'm really grateful, and I'm really excited for the next students that are going to be able to do this.